Organizations like yours are constantly creating important digital records that need to be maintained. They can be emails, Word documents, PDFs, images, and more that are received from others or generated internally. Just think of the number of documents you receive or generate on any given day, and then multiply that by the number of employees in your organization. Then think about all of the different drives and folders your employees use to save these documents. How do you keep track of it all? Now add in all of the automated processes churning out records from accounting, HR, legal, and ERP systems. Electronic documents of all types can pile up at a mind-blowing pace. And before you know it, you have mountains of unstructured data. For records managers, unmanaged data is not an option. So knowing what you have and how long you need to keep it is absolutely essential. This is why Zazio created the Versatile Electronic Records Management System, or ERMS. Within ERMS, you can create folders and subfolders with metadata and retention rules assigned to each folder. The same retention rules already defined in Versatile Retention, or those configured for paper records in Versatile Enterprise. From there, users simply drag and drop their files into these folders. And the retention rules and metadata are automatically applied, requiring no additional work or tagging from employees. ERMS can track active and inactive files and easily search the content using keywords, phrases, Boolean operators, and metadata, so you can find the records that matter and forget about the ones that don't, knowing they're secure, accessible, and set up for proper retention and destruction. Those mountains of data might exist in other document repositories and collaboration tools, such as SharePoint, Microsoft 365, Box, Dropbox, and Google. You can use ERMS to easily integrate with these and other such repositories, making manage-in-place retention a reality for all of your electronic records. ERMS also includes built-in workflow, allowing you to automate document collection, routing, task assignment, and approvals. Just imagine having the ability to manage all of your retention and disposition requirements in one place. ERMS is available in two different interfaces. The desktop application is designed to fit right into your operating system among your other drives, network folders, and libraries, making it familiar and easy to learn for all types of users. The web interface allows you to access your electronic documents from any standard web browser, so it's easy to deploy across your whole company. And ERMS can now be used with Versatile Professional, Versatile Retention, and Versatile Enterprise for maximum flexibility. That's why we call it Versatile. It's time for you to take control of your mountains of unstructured electronic records. Contact Zazio today.